everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today we're talking about visual schedules, what they are, the benefits to using them, and the different types of visual schedules that you can use at home or in the classroom. So first of all, what is a visual schedule? A visual schedule uses pictures to represent a series of activities which are planned throughout a day. This makes the structure of a day clear and helps children understand what is happening now, what is happening next, and what should be happening later. Some visual schedules can be long and show a string of activities. For this kind of visual schedule, as activities are completed, they can be removed from the timetable. This can help show that progress is being made and that time is passing. Or they can be kept simple, maybe just showing what is happening now and what is going to be happening next. These kinds of visual schedules can be updated whenever an activity is completed. So what are the benefits of visual schedules? Giving young learners a sense of structure can help reduce anxiety by giving them a predictable routine. Visual schedules such as a now and next timetable or a first and then board help break longer periods of time down into more manageable chunks, so children don't feel overwhelmed and they know what to expect. It can also help motivate children to do tasks that they may not be too keen on initially. For example, if they looked at their visual schedule and can see that they're doing something fun later, they may be more inclined to finish the task that they're doing now that they don't enjoy as much, so that they can get to the next activity. Here are some quick tips for using visual schedules. 1. Keep things simple. If you fill any schedule up with too many tasks and it doesn't feel manageable to a learner, it can become a bit overwhelming and they can just give up. Scheduling should support learners, not overwhelm them, and so you can adjust your visual scheduling to their needs. 2. Keep it somewhere visible. Whether you display it on a wall or inside a book that they use regularly, it should be somewhere where it's easy to access. It's important that it can be viewed and updated regularly throughout the day so you're using it consistently. 3. Prompt learners to refer to the visual schedule for themselves. This can help give them a sense of independence and get them used to managing their own time. Eventually, the prompts and reminders can be phased out as the child learns to work more independently. You've seen a few examples in this video of visual schedules available on the Twinkl website, so I'm going to leave a link to those in the description below, so you can check them out if you want. However, there are plenty of different variations and options available on the Twinkl website, so make sure you have a browse around and see what's out there. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.